Electric motors are at the heart of many modern technologies, from electric vehicles to power tools. But what if we could make motors lighter, more efficient, and more compact? Enter the Axial Flux Motor, a revolutionary design that's changing the way we think about electric motors. In today's video, we'll dive into how axial flux motors work and why they could be the future of electric power. An axial flux motor has a unique design. It's sometimes called a disc motor or pancake motor because of its flat, disc-like structure. Unlike traditional motors, which have a cylindrical shape, the axial flux motor's rotor spins in a flat plane, and the magnetic flux flows along the axis of the motor from one side to the other. This simple yet innovative design opens the door to many advantages, making these motors ideal for modern applications that demand performance and efficiency. So, how do they work? At the core, an axial flux motor has two key components: the stator and the rotor. The rotor is a flat, disc-shaped piece that contains permanent magnets. These magnets create a magnetic field that is aligned along the motor's axis. The stator surrounds the rotor and consists of electromagnetic coils. When current flows through these coils, it generates a magnetic field that interacts with the rotor's permanent magnets. As current passes through the stator coils, the electromagnetic field pushes and pulls on the rotor's magnets, causing the rotor to spin. This spinning rotor then converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, which powers everything from your electric vehicle to a drone. I've put in a lot of hard work creating this 3D model of the axial flux motor in Fusion 360. So if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. The axial flux motor design brings a number of compelling advantages. The flat disc-like structure makes the motor compact and lightweight, which is especially valuable in applications where size and weight are critical, such as in electric vehicles. This compactness doesn't mean compromising on performance though. In fact, the short magnetic flux path allows for higher efficiency, reducing energy loss from heat and friction. Additionally, the design of the motor allows for superior cooling. This means the motor can perform at high levels without overheating, making it perfect for demanding applications like high-performance electric vehicles or drones. These motors aren't just a concept, they're already being used in electric vehicles, drones, bikes, and even robots. With their higher power-to-weight ratio and efficiency, axial flux motors are setting new standards for the future of electric propulsion. Axial flux motors are the next step in electric motor technology. Their compact design, high efficiency, and performance make them a game changer in industries that rely on electricity for power. As technology continues to evolve, these motors will likely become even more important in shaping a sustainable, high-performance future. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about axial flux motors, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next video.